falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page.
Hey guys, it's Khadijah. I'm back with another video. So this vlog is probably gonna be like a FaceTime vlog slash Friday night routine. It's currently 9:07 right now. I'm gonna hop in the shower and just show y'all my little night routine after a long week, you know. Hop in the shower, show y'all my little skincare routine and all that. I'm gonna probably take my hair out because this need to come out. It's been a minute and we on spring break, so it's like, yeah, I'm gonna just take it out.
And when we're making love, your cries, they can be heard far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Alright, hey y'all, so I'm in my bathroom now. I just got out the shower. Now I'm just taking my hair out, and then I'm gonna probably show y'all my skincare routine or whatever.
What can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down, baby. Ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? Love, what is love? You believe it if I told you all about it? But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living fast and that's what get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what?
Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for that. I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, buy some free cars.
Alright. I look a mess, but my hair is all out now, as y'all can see. So I'm gonna start with my skincare routine. First thing I do, y'all, first thing y'all should always do before y'all wash your face is wash your hands, because that's just putting germs back on your face when you wash your face with dirty hands. It just don't make sense. So wash your hands before you go ahead and wash your face.
I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry.
Alright, so when I wash my hands, I just use that to wet my face or whatever. And then next, I'm gonna go in with my face wash. I got this from the dermatologist, y'all. I don't know how y'all will get it, but this works so good. When I tell you, after a week of using this, my skin was clear. Like, I used to have a lot of acne. I just got a bunch of dirt marks now. But it's called sulfur wash or something. But I think you gotta get it prescribed. But I got this from the dermatologist and it works so good. It works wonders, y'all.
Please don't fall in love with me. You don't even know. I leave you lonely. Found out through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We've been fought through
once I do that, I just let this sit while I'm brushing my teeth. So, yeah, I got britches, so my routine is a little more complicated. But I use Colgate Max Clean. Get your teeth real clean. It's not too fast. The first thing I do, I brush my teeth 2 times. So I brush it, rinse, and then brush again and rinse.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you?
Alright, so my teeth are nice and clean, but I'm about to wash this off my face. Y'all, one thing I learned about washing your face off. When you wash your face, you will not want to use a rag to dry it off or wake it off. I don't use a rag or eyelash extensions on, but yeah, paper towel, because a rag can spread germs. Even if it's clean, it's going to have some type of germs on it. But paper towel, it's clean, you know. You just use it to pat your face on, and you still don't even break it. You pat it off, and you just use the water to get it off instead of using the rag.
Look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger sheet, don't need to know what's going on.
So, as you can see, my face is nice and clean. Nice and clean. Anytime I wear mascara, I take it off last. I just use Vaseline. I feel like Vaseline is like the best makeup remover ever. Vaseline gets everything off. That's a little too much. But Vaseline is like the best makeup remover. It's gonna get you. It's gonna melt your makeup off. If y'all don't use that for like a makeup remover, start using it because it works like that.
Say you're happy now. Hope you're happy now.
So I just went ahead and wipe that off. Next I'm gonna show you what I use after I'm done washing my face. My skincare routine is not complicated at all. It's pretty straight to the point. I don't use a lot of stuff because I have acne. I feel like the more stuff you use, the worse your face gets. I don't know, but this is the answer to everything. I'm not saying it's gonna work for y'all, but y'all just cleared my face in probably a week or two. My face got really clear, like real clear. So I don't use a lot. I don't know why I just put that much. Take a little bit and rub it on your hands, and just put it on your face. You will look shiny, but girl, at least you moisturize. Then obviously, I put it on my lips. Oh yeah, I also brush my lips while I'm brushing my teeth, y'all, because it exfoliates them and it just, like, that's what you're supposed to do. Alright, then I use this acne gel that I also got from the dermatologist. This works for dark marks. So I just put this like in dots in my face, or whatever, and rub it in all over. Then for my skincare routine, it's not really much I do. I don't really do much. I don't really do much to my face for real.
Take your spotlight.
end of my video. I hope y'all have fun watching this video. A little FaceTime vlog, you know, my skincare routine. And I will see y'all in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe.
Are you on your